Hello everyone, Kevin Gergley here from Techformality, the blog that focuses on tech guides, tech news, and tech reviews. Uh, with that being said, today we're going to be looking at a security product called WiseVector StopX. A viewer here actually recommended me testing this product, and we're actually going to be doing things a little bit differently. We're going to be doing two separate videos, one for a product review and one for a prevention test as well. So if you stick with me, we will go ahead and get started here on the product review in just a minute. Alright, and we are back. So, WiseVector is actually a security company that's based out of Beijing, China. So, it is a Chinese company, and they basically offered this product for free. It is a free antivirus. It was developed in 2017, so they have some years of experience behind that. I believe they said they had 10 years of experience behind the release of the product. So, they do have some experience there. So we're just going to run down really quickly through the system requirements. They are requiring you to have either Windows XP 32-bit, Vista 7, 8, or 8.1, or Windows 10 32 or 64-bit, 100 megabytes of RAM, which is very minimal, 80 megabytes of hard drive space, so that is minimal as well. Then just some of the features to name here. WiseVector StopX includes zero-day malware detection. And it does have some different signatures out there than most antiviruses, so that's why it's really good at what it does. Ransomware detection, it has an advanced type of ransomware detection that is included in this product. Fileless malware detection. Basically, there's malware out there that you can get on your computer without actually having a file, so you can get it by visiting a web browser or website or some kind of URL that you access or some kind of email. So there are fileless malware threats out there. Stealer malware detection, streaming updates, and it is extremely lightweight. As I was stating, that the system requirements up here are very minimal. So, and if we jump right here into the features a little bit further, more than 95% of malware or ransomware cannot escape from our first layer protection, static detection. They have behavior detection, multiple ransomware detection modules that can terminate ransomware behaviors instantly, deception-based ransomware detection, document protection, ransomware rollback, can back up files modified by suspicious programs in real time. So that is a good feature there. That is really interesting of how they incorporated something like that into a antivirus software. Stealer malware detection. If you wanted to read all this, I can actually post a link in the description. I'm not going to bore you with all this information, but it does come with memory protection, unique instruction tracer. So it does have quite a bit of features that are beneficial to the security world. So with that being said, if you wanted to download the product, just head over to their website. It's wisevector.com, and whenever you get to the home page here, you just scroll down, and there is a free download button here. So once you click on the free download button, it will download to your computer, and you will end up with this exe. So we're going to go ahead and start there now. We'll go ahead and install the product, and we just agreed to their terms and services there. You can read about those on their website if you wish. Installation took less than 30 seconds, I would say, so that's very simple install there. And basically, it is on our computer now, and if we go ahead down here to the system tray and open up our interface, this is what we have on our screen here. So basically, there's a message that we are protected. We can either run a quick scan, full scan, or custom scan. It shows you your version. You have the ability to upload a file here to report false positives or suspicious files for analysis by them. There's a log here, which you can view everything that's in the log. Exclusions, you can set up exclusions on files or folders that you don't want to be scanned. And then your quarantine boxes here as well in the bottom right corner. So the interface is very minimal. There's not really anything to it. So if we go up here to this top left, it looks like a t-shirt. You can actually change your background if you wanted to change the background of the interface. And then on the right side, you can actually change the color as well. So if you wanted to change it to a specific color, you could do that as well. So on the right side here, there's a settings button, and there are some basic settings in here. You have the ability to automatically launch as the system starts up, enable real-time protection. You can set that up by adding or removing these 3 items: scan on file creation, scan on file execution, or scan running processes. On the left side here, you have protection level, heuristics analysis. You can either set that to aggressive, high, or normal. We're just going to leave it on normal. And then default action on threat detection. You can actually click down this and it would notify you. Quarantine or block only, and that's if you wanted it to automatically quarantine the file or if you just wanted to block the file. And then down below we have automatic updates that are enabled, and then automatically download and install program updates is checked as well. Those are 2 automatic default features. And then if you were using a proxy server, you can check this box, include all your information in here, and that would be the settings for the proxy server. That looks like that's about it here in the demonstration for the product, so we're going to go ahead and stop there. And there will, like I said, there will be a second product demonstration of a prevention test of zero-day malware and possibly even some ransomware threats once we get into that. So I will link that video here, and I hope that you enjoyed this one of this short demonstration of the WiseVector StopX, and we will see you in the next video that includes the prevention test. Like I said, it will be linked here. If you are enjoying my content, please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, and also please check out the tech blog. It's techformality.com, and you can actually go to the website and there's a contact button in the top right. If you have any questions for me or concerns, you can go ahead and submit me a form there and I will respond to you as quickly as possible. And if you do have any recommendations for products to test, just leave a comment in the description and we will get those tested for you. And I appreciate your continued support, and we will see you here in a few minutes on the next video.